This is my parts of the helicopter. This is where I'm gonna fly it, and I already unboxed the There's my dad. I already unboxed the helicopter and those blades. You see, when I was putting those blades, those were just spares. So this is when you rotate this up, it means you're gonna fly the helicopter. So you just rotate it up, and then when he's already up in the sky, you rotate this like that. So, oh, I didn't turn it on. Okay. It's not working anymore. Now they're not gonna see. So it might hit the iPad. So let's put it here. Sige na. Pasok ka dyan. Tapos magaganda dyan. I'm a little scared, so...
Aywa, yes. Success.
Okay, I'm success.
Mga tulina pa kayo?
Those are
Ako
fails.
papakatalo pa. Gusto ko na maging binata na. Maging binata? Ikaw tulong ng binata?
Okay, they can't see it.
Ano na natin?
Papa, Dad. Dad will hold it.
May mga pera
So
na
when
kayo?
it's
Patingin?
flying,
Sorry po, nahingi ako.
just keep doing this.
Isi sa susunod, pagpayuhan niyo muna yung anak niyo na mag-aral muna. Hindi ko ano na ginagawa. Sige.
Just
Mami, sorry po. Isiguro. Ina, wala naman sa mga nangyari sa'yo. Anak, bawat pera naman.
Just for me.
Bata ka pa naman. Mama ka naman mo na lang.
Success! So, hope you enjoyed my review. Subscribe to Jaden0513. And I'm gonna do... No.
Huwag ka mag-alala.
Bye, and I'll see you guys next time. And I have new stuff. And
Beautiful. Oy, huwag ka
that's it for
magmalaki.
now. So, bye guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.
Ako nga.